Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Today I'll to run the soil pipe underneath the bath through the other wall. So that means, yeah, it's going to go underneath the stairs. It's going to come out there. And when I go to the other room, this is where the shower sweep's going to be. So toilet's going to go there. There's going to be a partition wall here. Gonna have a shower cubicle over here. Just thinking where I should run the water line from. Boiler's very close. For confirmation, if the radiator is gonna move to the right, not sure yet.
Up to us. Can be
The basin with the unit is gonna go behind the door. So the bath panel's off. Looks like there's water leak there already before I even started plumbing. Voila, bath's gone. Look at that. What a joke. That was old leaks before. Yeah. That's the service thing. Toilet's gonna move a bit to the left. Right, ready for the bath to go in. Had to take the floorboards off because we're running the waste pipe plus the water lines, the hot and cold, under the floorboard. So I'm going to take the bath off again, take the floorboards off to do the plumbing because the flow of the water needs to go to the waste pipe straight. So the waste connection to the bath has to be replaced with something.
It's gone below the floor level now.
This is what I've done. Brilliant. So the partition wall's on. As you can see, little ensuite. All the whites are connected, radiators connected. Just have to fit the shower fittings. Liner's done, wall panel's done. Just needs a little bit of tidying up, finishing touch. But we've been doing other things, fixing doors, putting door strips on, changing door locks,